So this is again a theory question of May June 2018, paper 22, Cherry and Harry, F sum. This is our question. Partners are concerned that the rate of inventory turnover has fallen. First, can you explain me the meaning of this line? It has fallen below the industry average.
What they mean is um, that the amount of times they can turn inventory into cash or money
To
has
say,
decreased.
has decreased than the
Yeah.
industry average. That means in the industry, other people are able to convert their inventory into sales more faster than us. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, Harry and Cherry are partners. So, Cherry has suggested that even we could improve our inventory turnover ratio by reducing the inventory level. What does this mean?
This means that they will decrease their average inventory, which in turn would increase the times they can convert inventory into cash.
But is it appropriate to do this?
It,
Their house. First, I used to keep 100 bottles and maybe or 100 ice creams, and maybe I used to sell this 100 ice creams, and 10 times I used to replace my stock, finish the sales, again get 100 ice creams, finish the sales, again get 100 ice creams, finish the sales. That means in a day, I used to convert my inventory into sales 10 times. So my sales was 100 into 10. So in a day, I sold 1000 ice creams. What is Cherry suggesting?
Cherry is suggesting to decrease 100 to 50.
Okay, he's telling decrease 100 to 50. So 50 is getting sold. Okay, you're converting this 50 into sales. Can I make this 10?
Yeah, okay.
So instead of 10, 10 times I would replace my inventory. I am going to replace my inventory 100 times. So automatically the 10 times becomes 100 times, and I say my inventory turnover ratio is 100 times.
Yeah, which is not appropriate. I think it's better to increase sales, or as Harry has suggested, do advertising campaigns to increase sales.
So Harry is disagreed about Cherry's idea, and he has suggested instead that an advertisement campaign should be organized. So now you have two options over here: reduce inventory or do advertisement campaign. When you see there are two options, it is important that you have to talk about both the options. Okay, 5 marks are there,
Okay.
two options are there. So you will get 2 marks to speak about one option, 2 marks to speak about the other option, and 1 mark for advice. So now there is advice. Read the question.
Advise which course of action the partner should take in order to improve the rate of inventory turnover.
Hmm.
Justify your advice by discussing both of suggested options.
So what you should take and justify the reasons for the both. So if you're doing an advert
Okay.
campaign, what will happen?
Advertising campaign, more publicity, which
Hmm.
could in turn lead to increase in sales,
Hmm.
but it would increase the cost.
But it would increase the costs. But this will give you long-term benefit.
Yes.
What will happen if you reduce inventory level?
It would, of course, increase the rate of inventory turnover,
Hmm.
but
You have
it would,
3 points or 2 points minimum.
and by decreasing inventory, you might not be able to fulfill every customer's needs.
Needs. Okay.
And then I could give advice of which of the one I would choose and give my answer.
Okay. If you're reducing your inventory, your storage cost reduces, and the risk of having outdated items also reduces. So you need to know the good points also. What is your advice? Which course of action you should choose? One
I
mark.
will choose the advertising campaign since it does not downsize the business.
Okay, it does not downsize the business and has long-term benefits.
Yes.
Okay, write it.